Experience with DBI before we see the last two performances for the evening?
I think more than them, I had a blast here. I found a set of people who are so passionate and who have so much fun. Dance for me is all about fun. Like the way we come out here and we try and dance and perform, I hope we've reached today to your hearts. And let me tell you a few advantages of dancing. First, you stay fit, you sweat it out, for sure it's the best way of exercise. Secondly, it grows you in confidence. If you can stand on this stage right now, it's not easy, believe me, it's not. And for these guys as newcomers, as rookies to come here and perform in front of an audience, it is quite a task. So I think once for me, a big round of applause for all the contestants out here. Yeah, and also for the team for putting together such a big show. And thirdly, I'd like to say, okay, more than them, I'd like to thank you as family for supporting them and encouraging them in coming out and doing what they're doing over here. Because I'm a very family person. So what matters to me most is my family supporting me. So thank you all for being such brilliant audience and for coming out here and supporting everybody. So it's been a blast.
Alright, Salman, a couple of things that we want to know because Singapore is not in Bollywood. मतलब मुंबई शहर में तो जहाँ से हम हैं, वहाँ पर तो आगे जाते हम देखते हैं कि ट्रैफिक जाम में अमिताभ बच्चन को भी बैठना पड़ता है, तो कभी ना कभी हाई हेलो हो जाती है. लेकिन हमारे जितने भी फैंस हैं यहाँ पर वो जानना चाहते हैं कि you worked with the best. You danced with the best. Salman Khan के साथ आपने खुद इतना मस्त Wanted का गाना किया. But if I ask you on a personal level, who is the one actor who might really inspire you in a dance sort of way? जिनको आपको लगता है उसमें dedication है, इस बंदे को सच्ची में dance से प्यार है. Who would you say? Yeah, actress.
I think so.
I think out of all the people that I've closely worked with, who inspired me the most was Prabhu Deva. Prabhu sir, even at this age, he's 42 today. But the first time I got into rehearsal, I was really shaking with my knees because I remember I was in my third standard and I used to dance for Mukala, and then I had that same person standing in front of me, and then I did not talk to him. I just said hello, sir. I went and I started rehearsing in the rehearsal hall. He was sitting and watching. And he liked the step. I was doing something. So he came up to me, he's like, hey Salman, show me that step. I'm like, sir, you're Prabhu sir, how can I show you? Fart! He gave me one on my head. He's like, hey, show me man. So I started teaching him. And he did not get the step. Believe me, he did not get it. And then every time he would manage to do it, I said, good sir. He's like, hey, say the truth, I'll beat you again. I'm like, okay sir, actually you need to work on